y'all, we're here at Sandpiper in Mobile, Alabama. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and everything else Mobile has to offer. This community features some amazing amenities such as 2 swimming pools, a fitness center, and a clubhouse. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhouse. Let's go take a look.
Come on in. This large living space is perfect for entertaining. Down the hall, you'll find a convenient half bathroom and a bonus space that would be perfect for an office. Outside, you'll find a fenced-in patio. Back inside is the dining room and the kitchen, which features stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, you'll find a linen closet and 2 spacious bedrooms connected by a Jack and Jill style bathroom. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find the leasing offices, a community hangout room, a business center, a coffee bar with a Starbucks machine, a community kitchen, and a modern fitness center. Outside, you'll find a fire pit, a grill area, 2 swimming pools, a pet park, and a playground. Click the link below to book your tour today.